What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome to a new POV video. Today you join me inside the new 7th generation Ford Mustang, so code named S650, and yeah, we're gonna go for a short POV drive and talk about it. So big thanks to Ford Santon. They've supplied me with this car for me to review for you. And yeah, I'll leave their details down in the description below. Do check them out if you're interested in any Ford model or even this Mustang, because it's for sale and it's brand new. Literally 55 kilometers on the clock. 55 literally. And because of that reason, we can't really do anything crazy with it, because one, it's for sale, two, the engine is not running. But yeah, we'll drive it around, we'll get to hear the engine, I will talk about some of the upgrades, the new engine, the new look, and so forth. So yeah, let's get into it. I'll put it in its sportiest setting, which is track. And yeah, we'll get to accelerate as well, go full throttle a bit, and yeah, we'll take it chilled basically. Guys, remember to check out CarTrack, which is highly recommended by insurance companies, with over 90% recovery rate that is inspected by a third party. There's also a 24/7 control room that ensures you're assisted with identifying where your car is at all times. Now, CarTrack offers features like car watch, crash detection, and a dash cam. I've left a link down in the description below and also pinned a comment in the comment section where it'll take you to my landing page, my Emba Motoring CarTrack landing page, and you can further explore CarTrack's offering. Listen to that. So, this is the 7th generation Ford Mustang, and like I've already mentioned, it's codenamed S650. It's got a new generation of the Coyote V8, so this is the 4th generation. Still a 5-liter naturally aspirated V8. It's been upgraded, so it has dual air intake boxes, it has 2 throttle bodies, and as a result you get 328 kilowatts, that is about 450 horsepower, and 540 newton meters of torque. In some markets, like the US markets, you can also get them as a manual, but in our market we only get the 10-speed automatic. There's 2 variants available in SA, this 5-liter GT and the Dark Horse, and maybe we'll get other variants in future, because I know like in the US and stuff, they already have the crazy GTD, which is a limited edition track focused variant. And yeah, those are some of the cool upgrades with the new Mustang. So there is something that's called the performance pack. Here in SA we get it as standard, and it comes with a bunch of cool stuff on this car. So you get a front suspension torsion bar. Let's accelerate a bit. You get bigger brakes at the front and at the rear. So at the front they are 365 millimeters, and then at the back they are 355 millimeters. That is the discs, and these are Brembo brakes, by the way. You also get an active Valvetronic sports exhaust, so you can cycle between quiet mode and very loud mode there. So now it's in quiet. Actually, let me drive it in quiet mode. Actually, let me take it to normal mode and then have the exhaust in quiet and listen. It makes a significant difference. I'll wait until the road opens up a bit by the long straight, and then I'll cycle between quiet and loud, and let me know if you can hear the difference on camera. So actually, let me also roll down the window. And yeah, just bear with me. Shortly I'll cycle to loud mode. coming in hot. So here's a bit of acceleration. Quiet mode. Let's go loud. Listen to that. Quiet, loud, and let's hear it with the window rolled up. So that's quiet, loud. So this is a proper Valvetronic exhaust, and it makes a huge difference. I quite like that. So we'll come back around and do like a pull. So I was in normal mode. Let's go back to track. So we'll go to track. Yeah, actually, let's put it in manual and use the pedals. Second gear, first gear. Not the fastest shifting pedals or the fastest shifting gearbox, but you can play around with the pedals. But from my experience, with so many cars, I actually prefer driving in manual, but with this one, it works better in its normal auto mode. You're just better off leaving the car to do its thing. I think it could be because there's 10 gears to go through, or maybe it's the type of gearbox that the car uses, but the car is just better calibrated to do the gears itself. So we'll just go down the road and come back around. Yeah, I think we'll call it a day with this POV. So for this next stint of the POV, I think I'll just stay quiet and just drive and have you enjoy the sound and the perspective of being behind the wheel of this thing. Oh, by the way, I'm chilling with Angel Dust here. He's operating the camera for me. And yeah, do check out his channel. He posts some cool vlogs and car content. I'll leave a link in the description below. 1 foot flat there. Yo, it picks up. Yes.
Once it starts going,
Joe, it picks up. Yo, I just realized this whole time I was actually just toying around with it.
I'd love to see like a rolling race between this and the 8R.
Yes. Is actually very responsive. Yeah, no. This thing is proper. It's a mad machine, eh? Comfort as well. Yo, this Magna ride is just crazy. Yeah, such a fascinating car. But yeah, guys, that is the POV with the new Ford Mustang. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Yeah, we'll do one more pull here. That's cheers from me.